Bitch party, you cannot get in. I can take your man, pass him to my friends. I can shake your hand.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It is your favorite beach, Brittany Beach, and we are Burgundy. I tried to go against the grain and not use glue anymore. I use Got To Be Glue, and now I remember why I stopped using Got To Be Glue. So stay tuned because it was actually pretty funny to watch me fail. But in the end, we still got this burgundy look. So follow along. So I already washed the hair and bleached the knots. That is why the hair looks a little bit frizzy. If you want a more in-depth video on how I customize the wig, my past couple videos showcase that. So go watch the blonde hair video for the bleaching portion. But now I'm just straightening it out because I was going for more like a straight, flat, non-hat wig look. I feel like the stocking cap is just a little bit too clockable. Like I feel like I can see this part, you know, like the band part. Maybe if I move it back and just look. I didn't feel like gluing, like doing the whole meltdown method, like not trying to do all that, but like you can definitely see it. So we are going to melt down today. So first things first, we have to wipe off our skin, make sure it's not dirty and oily because that makes the wig, the glue stay better, I guess, when you like dehydrate the skin a little bit and clean it off. Oof, mad makeup. And I never put makeup on my forehead intentionally. It just gets there. Okay. And the reason why I don't want to use regular glue is honestly just the takedown. Like Got To Be Glue can just come off with water, which sucks for the summertime. Sucks for parties. Sucks for everything except just looking cute, like regular everyday life. But I'd rather do that than like having to do all that it takes to take it down when you use regular glue. It's just so annoying. But for vacation, I would never use that. Oh my gosh, y'all! I used Got To Be Glue one time. Went to a party. My whole look at me talking shit. My whole wig was coming off in the party. I was like, "Do you guys have glue?" To my friends, and they're like, "Bitch, who brings around glue?" Me. I'm about to start bringing around glue because that was so traumatizing. Like my wig almost fell off, and I was trying to dance. Guys were trying to talk to me. It was a whole mess. All I could think was my wig is floating away. Floating away. I'm excited about this. I've been experimenting with color this summer thanks to Affordhair. I went blonde before, but I dyed the wig myself and the hair was already processed, so it was like a whole thing. It was a whole thing, y'all. So this is our first layer of glue. I honestly want to go back to closures. I'm kind of tired of glue and all that stuff. I do like the way that the frontals look, especially the last time that I did it. It looked really, really, really good. But it just is too much sometimes. Like, nobody wants to do all that all the time to like look decent. One of my friends, she wears closures. She wears frontals all the time and literally switches out her frontal wigs to go to the gym. And I'm like, sis, I don't know how you do that, but me, I cannot. I cannot. Y'all, at this point, I was so fed up with this Got To Be Glue. Mind you, it was like 90 degrees. Okay, I was hot as hell. Okay, we need an AC in the beach club. But
Y'all, I couldn't even talk anymore because it was failing. I was looking at my lace and I could still see the cap. So then I'm like, all right, let me cut the cap back, right? Let me cut it back. But then there was mad glue. So then I had to wipe the glue off and then put new glue. And it was just a lot. Like, it was just a lot. Got to be glue in the summertime is not it. Don't ever do it. Don't try it. Pack it up. Pack it up. It's a winter glue. So winter glue. You need that Erica J Ghost Bond. I need to invest in some Erica J glue, honestly, because I was on the struggle bus, okay?
Alright, let's do the reveal and see what we are working with. If it's a fail, if I just gotta go back to the glue. And ooh, it's not horrible. It's not horrible. I feel like it'll stay in place, so that's good. You just have to cut some pieces off. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad.
Oh, but it was that bad, Brittany Beach.
Ooh, I put the glue all the way on my face. So I think I'm gonna have to use the blast spray. This was a fail, y'all. This was a fail.
Look, the way to save any failed install, any overplucked lace, any underplucked lace, any knots not bleached is to just slap on some baby hair. So that's exactly what I'm doing right here, y'all, is taking out some baby hairs, spraying it with the blast spray, and then you can barely see anything, honey. You can barely see anything. You tie it down and you are Gucci. And then just put a little bit of concealer on and chef's kiss.
Alright, so while our hairline is drying, let me tell you what else came in the package. It's the same thing as the blonde hair, so it came with lashes. I actually like these lashes more than the ones that came with the blonde hair. Let me see if you guys can see it from here. Come on, focus on that instead. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Okay, so lashes and the strap to make the wig glueless right here. And yeah, same box, simple, easy, with the gifts that we love. And I kind of want to add a couple more curls to it. I like the loose curl thing that's happening right now, but I just want to add a couple more. This is my first time using a curling iron, and I don't know if I like it more or less than the wand. I think I don't know. It's little though, so I wish I would have gotten like a longer one. Yeah, I don't really like it, but I feel like this is what I see the celebrity hairstylists be using, so I want it to be like them. Okay. See? Like, it's just kind of annoying. But it does curl it very quickly though. I will give it that. I don't know why I got this little baby ass curling wand. I mean curling iron or whatever. Do you guys like it if I talk or if I do a voiceover? Sometimes it's just loud in my house and it's just easier to do the voiceover like at night. So that's why I do it. And then talking also makes the video longer, and y'all don't be watching them 30-minute ass videos. I see my analytics. Y'all be skipping through it, so I'm like, you know what, if y'all skipping through it and only watching 10 minutes, let me give y'all 10 minutes. Let me give the people what they want. I know for vlogs you guys prefer like a long vlog, I know that, but for like tutorials and stuff, you prefer for them to be shorter and no long talking. Yeah, I do kind of like the way that the curls look. And the color is super, it's like purpley red. I'll give it purple red in like the dark in like regular indoor lighting, and then outside it is so bright and pretty. I'm gonna insert some pictures and some videos at the end. You guys know how I do. You guys have to see how this hair, you know, wears in public. I'm about to go to the grocery store just to see how it looks and give you guys a 24-hour install. But yeah, so far so good. I love this color on me. I thought it was gonna be way more like red. I've never done a purpley burgundy color like this before, and I love like the bouncy curls that I did. They just look so effortless and cute or whatever. So yeah, and this is a 250% density, and that was my thing with pre-made wigs. Like, I hate making wigs, you know, I hate making wigs. Pre-made wigs, I feel like they just weren't giving me the thickness and the volume and the body that I've always wanted. And I would always get 180 because I always felt like 250 was, it just sounded crazy. Like 250% density, like, is it gonna be a hat wig? Like, you know, we hate the hat wigs. This is my first 250 and I don't think I can go back. I don't think I can go back, y'all. This is giving me the volume and the body and the 3 bundles in a frontal that I've always wanted. So yes, I do like it. It's super bright right now because I feel like you guys can't see the color when it's not super bright. So yeah, don't mind my face being like super blown out, but that's why. My back up, it looks a little bit more normal. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Let me know which color I should do next. Should I do a yellow, a blue, a pink? Like, let me know. I'll be working from home, so, you know, well, like half the week. It's a whole big thing. But anyways, my job doesn't care what color I do for my hair, so let's go wild this summer. Let's switch it up. Let's do something new. Let's do something different. Let's make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. It was your favorite beach, Brittany Beach, back at it again with another poppin' hair video, and I'll be back with some more. Bye, y'all. About to go to bed. I'm just gonna wrap it up the same way I always wrap it up, just like that, and we're gonna see how it sleeps. I'm gonna tie down the lace because it's lacing a little bit, so hopefully a good night's sleep will have it looking good.